Okay, 1962 Mercury Comet, 250 inline 6 motor swap. And here's where we are now. Managed to get this in here. Some difficulty. So I got a couple of these bolts are lined up here, motor mounts. Okay, I had to loosen all this. I had to loosen the ones underneath, you know. Same over here. It's the other side. So I got one bolt in here. The other one, you know, I'm like about 1 millimeter or less away from getting this in here. One of them is the one down there. So I'm getting that in there. That right there. It's actually hard to get that in there. And so that's where I'm at now. Just trying to get that in there. And you know, I keep shifting it around, moving it around. It's kind of moves around with the jacks. But what it keeps doing is it's hitting back here. If you can see that, let's see. Right back here, there's a bolt from the transmission, and it keeps hitting the firewall, and then it bounces off of that. So, same on the other side over there. So that nut keeps hitting the firewall when I push this motor in, you know. So it's really just a fraction there. And there we have it.